हेलो जोरे बोल। हेलो
हेलो
गुड आफ्टरनून।
गुड आफ्टरनून। गुड आफ्टरनून। हेडफोन वगैरह
हाउ आर यू?
मेरा भाई
स्क्रीन ऑन करेंगे।
पापा ये दीदी कौन है? हेलो रानी आंटी। हेलो रानी आंटी। पापा क्या?
प्रियंका नाम क्या है सोनल की बेटी का? क्या दीदी है?
Good afternoon, children. Welcome to People the Resilient Labs Forum. I am welcoming all children today.
हेलो रानी आंटी।
Hello, how are you, Satiki? ठीक है, आज हम सभी लोगों को यहाँ पर वेलकम कर रहे हैं. All the children are most welcome to this forum, where we are going to learn from children. आज हमारे जो बच्चे हैं हमारे साथ, वो हम लोग को सिखाएंगे. They are going to be the facilitators of this event. और हम लोग आप लोगों से कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं. हमारी जो संस्था है आज उसका 4th बर्थडे है. हमारी संस्था का नाम है पीपल, और पीपल द रेजिलियंस लैब का आज 4th बर्थडे है. तो 4th बर्थडे में हम लोग सेलिब्रेशन करना चाहते हैं आप बच्चों के साथ, और उन बच्चों से हम लोग इस लर्निंग इवेंट में सीखना चाहते हैं कि आप लोगों ने क्या खुद सीखा है, क्या क्या एक्सप्लोर किया है, क्या डिस्कवर किया है, और क्या क्या चीज लर्न किया है, वो आज आप हम लोग को सिखाएंगे. So we will begin one by one with children. आप लोग इसमें अपना प्रेजेंटेशन दे सकते हैं. हम लोग एक एक करके बच्चों का नाम अनाउंस करेंगे और फिर उनको देना है अपना प्रेजेंटेशन. जब किसी एक बच्चे का चलेगा, जब प्रेजेंटेशन चलेगा या टॉक चलेगा, उस समय बाकी लोग अपना अपना माइक को म्यूट कर लेंगे ताकि डिस्टरबेंस ना हो, कोई आवाज ना जाए. हम लोग माइक को म्यूट कर लेंगे, ठीक है. और 1 by 1 हम लोग सारे लोग प्रेजेंटेशन देंगे. आपके पास 10 मिनट्स to 15 मिनट्स का टाइम है. 10 से 15 मिनट में आप अपनी बात रखेंगे. You will tell what you want to speak, you want to explain, you want to draw something, you want to display something, you want to demonstrate something. आपको जो कुछ दिखाना है आप 15 मिनट 10-15 मिनट के समय में कीजिए. उसके बाद आपको अगेन 5 मिनट का डिस्कशन का टाइम होगा. 5 मिनट में जब आपका खत्म हो जाएगा, तो अगर किसी के पास कोई सवाल होगा या कोई पूछना चाहेगा या आपसे कुछ और सीखना चाहेगा, तो वो लोग आपसे पूछेंगे 5 मिनट के बाद. ओके ओके बच्चों, हम लोग इस चीज को फेसबुक में लाइव कर रहे हैं हमारे पीपल के पेज से, ठीक है. हम लोग रैंडमली बच्चों का नाम अनाउंस करेंगे. अच्छा, एक और चीज, अगर आपके पास कोई प्रेजेंटेशन है दिखाने के लिए या कोई ड्राइंग है दिखाने के लिए, कोई स्लाइड है दिखाने के लिए, इन दैट केस आप लोग यहाँ पर से स्क्रीन शेयरिंग का ऑप्शन दे दिया जाएगा. हमारे यहाँ से स्क्रीन शेयरिंग का ऑप्शन दे दिया जाएगा और आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है. सो वी विल बिगिन 1 by 1.
हमको इधर आने देना, उस बेड पे रोशनी नहीं आ रहा.
ओके, सो आई एम इनवाइटिंग Sidra to start her talk. Are you there, Sidra?
Yes, he's there.
So Sidra will begin her talk. Over to Sidra. Sidra? I think she's not here. Okay, Satyaki, you can start.
Good afternoon. Today I will speak about plastic waste management.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Satyaki, and today I will talk about plastic waste management. What I will say first. I will say what is plastic. Plastic is a material made out of petrochemicals. It is a light object that we find in markets. Shopkeepers give us plastic bags when we buy one thing, and we have used it a lot. Now I will say what's the harm on plastic. We throw the plastic in oceans, seas, and rivers. All the animals inside the oceans are getting trapped, and all the animals on land are dying by eating the plastic. There are three ways to manage plastic waste management: reduce, reuse, and recycle. I will first start from reduce. Whenever you go to a shop, always bring your own cloth bag and do not take the plastic bag from the shopkeeper. Now I will say and do not use single-use plastic. Now I will talk about reuse. There are some plastic that can be reused. Like my school has made a bench out of plastic bottles, and my school has also made a dinosaur statue out of plastic toys.
Plastics can also be recycled.
And plastic can also be recycled. My third talk. And now I'm going to talk about recycle. There are some plastic that can be recycled, like plastic straws, single-use plastic boxes, plastic wrappers, and plastic bottles. They can be shredded into small plastic and mixed with vitamin and heated and make a road. Plastic can also be used as to make roads, tiles, and bricks. Thank you.
किसी ने स्क्रीन शेयर किया है? Okay.
Ma'am, I want to make another point.
Ma'am, I want to make another point.
Yes. Go ahead.
Making plastic releases billions of kgs of carbon dioxide as bad for the environment. Thank you.
Why are you not seeing the screen?
I can. This is sharing screen.
Yes, I won't share the screen.
Is it Rohan who started screen sharing?
No.
No, it's not from this side.
Thank you, Satyaki. It was a great talk. Thank you so much. So now, AC Chandra, can you start?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can mute yourself.
One second, let me turn on my camera. One minute. Hi, I'm Ishi Chandra. I'm 11 years old and I'm from Ashok Academy School, Mumbai. So, as we all are talking about global environment, I'm sharing my thoughts about wind energy, its generation and conservation through it. So, wind energy is basically of two types, non-renewable and renewable. In non-renewable, like wood, petrol, and diesel, and in renewable, sun, water, air, or wind. Non-renewable energy. This kind of energy is the traditional energy as such as through wood, petrol, diesel, gas, etc. This energy once consumed is lost. That means it cannot be replaced. These are also fossil fuels. Oil and gas will be the first to run out of coal. When fossil fuel burns, they release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Research shows that a major reason of greenhouse effect and global warming is our overuse and burning of fossil fuels. This means that non-renewable energy is a limited reserved resource, and if it's one used, it's lost, we cannot use it again. Renewable energy. This kind of energy is also generated from natural resources, but the resources are unending, and it is replaceable, such as energy generated from sun, wind, and water. Wind energy is one such energy. It does not contaminate, it is inexhaustible, and reduces greenhouse effects. In addition, wind energy is a native energy because it is available practically everywhere on the planet. So as a non-renewable energy, it is limited reserved resource and we cannot use it once if it's used. But with renewable energy, we can use it again and again. Now we will see how wind energy is generated. Wind energy or wind power refers to the process of creating electricity. Wind energy conservation systems (WECS) are designed to convert the energy of wind movement into mechanical power. When the wind blows past a wind turbine, its blades capture the wind's kinetic energy and rotates, turning it into mechanical energy. The rotation turns an internal shaft connected to a gearbox, which increases the speed of rotation by a factor of 100. That spins the generator and that produces electricity. Now we talked about types of energy, non-renewable energy, renewable energy, how wind is generated, and now we'll see conservation through wind energy. Fossil fuels.
Cause pollution. Wind energy and other alternate sources of energy help in conservation of the environment. Using wind energy or solar energy reduces the burden of limited resource or fossil fuel. This is basically everything. Thank you.
Thank you, Issy. Thank you so much. So now, is Sidra here? Sidra? Okay, now, Arjun Pratap, are you ready? Arjun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You can start.
Good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to talk about environment. Environment is a very important part of our life. It depends on how we keep it. Keeping environment is a very important virtue of life. Nowadays environment is getting polluted. We should not pollute. The ways to prevent environment pollution is we should not use unnecessarily vehicles for short distance. We should we should go nearly distance by foot, or we should use the battery running vehicles or cycles. We should in ma'am. Ma'am, after some time, ma'am, few minutes, I will come back.
Sure, Arjun. Hi, Rishit. Hi, Rishit. You are ready? You can talk now? Okay. Go ahead.
Hello friends, and hello friends, I'm Richard, and I'm today going to talk about solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when a portion of the earth is engulfed in a shadow cast by the moon, which fully or partly blocks sunlight. This occurs when the sun, moon, and earth are aligned such alignment coincides with the new moon, indicating the moon is closer to the electric plane. Now it is my drawing of the solar eclipse.
Can you see this?
Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, we can. It's a beautiful painting.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
This is the sun, this is the moon. And we watch it from the way.
This is the moon, then this is the sun. Then the sun, and it covers the sun here, and the sun is here, the ring of fire. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Rishi. Thank you. हाँ
हाँ भैया ये सब सभी डिस्कस करना है तुम बताओ
So now,
Hello, say hello. Hello, this is Sidera.
Sidra, you are here. Sidra?
Yeah, sorry, I'm little late.
Sorry, I'm little late.
It's okay, baby.
Can you see me?
Wait.
Lights nahi hai proper Dadu.
हाँ.
Can you see me? Say.
Can you see me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, this started. So, sorry for being little late. Could you please tell me when can Sidera start?
Yes, you can start.
Okay, can you see her properly?
Yes, we can
Hello?
see her. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chana, you want to start? Say hello.
Talk about my experience of gardening and love for nature.
Very good.
I have a library in that there are so many flower pots, in that there are flowers, and there I grew the chana plant, and soon it become a flower, and soon it become a chana. I plucked some, put it in a bowl, and shared it with my mama and daddy.
10 X.
And I have a tomato plant which will already turn into a tree, and then I take out all the chanas from the tree, and I take out all the tomatoes from the tree and eat them. And I water the plants with my mother. And I gone to Himachal. There I grew the corn plant, which is already grown into a corn. And there I have grown there for many ages, many times. And now that I've grown a fruit which birds eat, and then soon it will be. Well, I stop my friends with the do same. And I have made some pictures of the nature. I will show you them right now. This is underwater piranha whale fishes and the underwater plants. And this is sun, tree, flowers and drum and a dinosaur. C. And this is about peacocks. When I go to the park, I never stop my friends from plucking flowers. I never pluck flowers or plants any day. I love nature. I love animals and I love flowers. I never pluck them.
Very good.
Because I love them a lot.
Very good. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, Sidra. We should learn from you.
And the question?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sidra.
Any question?
Any question, please ask. Any question, everyone? किसी को सिद्रा से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है?
पूछिए हिंदी में, आपको कुछ पूछना है? बोलो।
Thank you, Sidra. Thank you so much.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manita Katru.
You see.
Mama, I want to show all the pictures.
All the pictures later.
Okay, so now, Varshena, you are ready?
Yes.
Yes. So you can talk now?
Yes. Let's brief myself. A very good afternoon, my dear friends. My name is Varshni Chakrabarti. I study in class 5th at Delhi. I am 10 years old. Today, I'm going to show you all a presentation on water and environmental issues. As I'm taking this issue because people organization is working very hard to solve these environmental issues in our society. Hope you all will like my presentation, and now I start my presentation. Now I'm going to tell some points that how can we take care of water in the environment. Water is an inorganic, transparent, tasteless, odorless, and colorless chemical substance. Means that water is a chemical substance, but it's a very good chemical substance for the body to maintain the body temperature. It is the main constituent of Earth's hydrosphere and the fluids of most living organisms. Even plants and animals need water. It is vital for all known forms of life, even though it provides no calories or organic nutrients. But still, water is a very important thing for human beings and other things. Water is the most important and essential natural resource of our environment. We should protect water from pollution. Now I'm going to tell some points about water scarcity in our environment and how people suffer this problem. Water scarcity is the lack of freshwater resource to meet the standard water demand. Water scarcity can be also caused by droughts, lack of rainfall, or pollution. 2/3 of the global population, 4 billion people, facing of severe water scarcity since 1 year all around. Now, I'm going to tell some points about water pollution in the environment. Wastewater is any water that has been contaminated by human use. It is used from any water from any combination of domestic, industrial, commercial, or agricultural activities. Therefore, wastewater is a biosphere of domestic, industrial, commercial, and agricultural activity. Types of wastewater include domestic wastewater from households, municipal wastewater from communities, also called sewage water, and industrial wastewater. Now I'm going to tell some sewage problems in the water. Sewage or domestic municipal wastewater is a type of wastewater that has been produced by a community of people. It consists mostly of grey water from sinks, bathtubs, showers, dishwashers, and clothes washers. Sewage water has two types of it. One is grey water and one is black water. I just told you about the grey water right now, and black water is the water used to flush toilets combined with the human waste that is flushed away. Soaps and detergents and toilet papers, less so in regions where bidets are widely used instead of paper. Now I'm going to discuss some points that how to take care of water bodies. Now the people organization have taken good initiative for the community level and areas of Ganges River and its tributaries, for example Chamba River. The first point coming in front of you is do not throw garbage in water bodies. We should not throw plastic bags into the water bodies. The second point is do not dump sewage water into water bodies. As discussed in the earlier slide that we should not dump sewage water, we should dump them into a dam. Do not build industries near water bodies. We should not build factories and other industrial buildings near the water bodies, or the industrial waste will be dumped into the rivers. If we see garbage near water bodies, we should take the garbage and throw it in the garbage bin. It is our main responsibility to do that job. Do not throw harmful chemicals into the rivers, for example, fumes, etc. Aware people that do not throw garbage in water by making posters. Here, people organizations have provided training to the people on the waste and composting techniques. Now I am coming to the interrelation of water and energy in environment. Water and energy are interrelated to each other for a human consumption. Water is used in all phases for energy production. Energy is also needed to treat waste water so it can be safely returned to the environment. So we can use water in a sustainable way for better environment. Now this is the last slide that human activities disturb the environment. A number of human activities pollute the environment extremely. Smoke, one of a carbon dioxide, is produced by factories and power stations. Exhaust from vehicles, which pollutes the air and water severely. Wastewater is generated in industries, pollutes water, and fertilizer used in agricultural pollute the environment. Our earth would be cold and dry and lifeless without fresh air and water. Health-related problems arises due to polluted water. Because clean water and fresh air for healthy lifestyle is our most precious resource. Thank you. I hope you all liked my presentation, and I'm very glad that the People Organization and Rani Ma'am has given me a great opportunity to speak around you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was a great presentation. And if these kids are this much of awareness, then think about our future. I am sure our river will be clean. Hi Anand, can you hear me? Anand? Anand, can you hear me?
ऐसे करो। ऐसे।
अरे रो रही है ये बचवा, देखो ना।
Can I speak?
Anand, are you there? Anand, just unmute yourself. Yeah. Okay. Anand, go ahead. Start.
Okay. Let's start with my introduction. I'm Anant Om, son of Mr. Rajiv Banerjee. I am 11 years old and I read in standard 4. Today on the occasion of Father's Day, I am going to share some information on why we should stop using tissue papers. Well, tissue is made from papers and papers comes from trees. To produce a paper takes twice the energy used to produce a plastic bag. From the newspaper to our paper wrappings, paper is everywhere. The making of paper involves using gallons of water and cutting down of trees. Deforestation is one of the main environmental problems we are facing. About 42% of all global wood harvest is used to make paper. So I want to ask only one question: that is really worth it to cut down our life-saving trees for this product called tissue papers? It is surprising that I am speaking here and more than 199 tons of paper has already been produced. Let me tell you one more thing, that is 342 liters of water is used to make only 1 kg of paper. That's quite a big amount. Tissue papers are made for only one-time use, which increases the waste of tissue paper even more than we use it. For an example, as there is an ad of Saffola Gold Oil in which the actor uses a piece of tissue just to wipe out a small amount of sweat and throws it away. Restaurants also keeps tissue as their alternative use. People choose wiping their hands instead of washing it. And we are aware of how many restaurants we have in our city. Then think the number of such places in the whole world. That's obviously a big number, right? To avoid such waste, we should carry our own handkerchief with us. If we have our pockets to carry our mobile phones, then why not a small hanky which can help in our saving life-saving trees? All is need is to just act smartly and be kind to nature. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand.
Welcome.
Even मैं बहुत use करती हूँ tissue paper. I will stop using it. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Now, Avni will start her talk. Avni?
It's actually a great point that when you can carry a mobile phone, then why can't you carry a handkerchief?
हाँ, एक मिनट. सबको स्क्रीन शेयर दिख रहा है क्या? Please confirm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good evening, everybody. where do we live? But where's Earth?
Where is
Where is Earth? Earth is in our solar system, and our solar system is in galaxy. Galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars and galaxy. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. It has a supermassive black hole in the middle. On a clear night, you can see parts of the Milky Way up in the sky. Solar system. There are 8 planets that orbit around the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The sun is a star, and it is the center of our solar system. Planets and in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. There are asteroid belts, planets orbit around the sun. Mercury is closest planet to the sun, and it has craters on its surface. Venus is the brightest planet, and Venus is second planet from the sun. It is brightest and hottest. You can call Earth is our home where we live. Our lives are found. And Earth's Mars. Mars is 4th planet from the sun, and it has highest mountain in our solar system named Olympus Mons. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun. It is the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter can carry 8 planets. Has a red spot on it. Saturn is 6th planet from the sun, and it has rings made of the rock, ice, and dust. Gas is made of methane, hydrogen, and helium. Uranus is 7th planet from the sun. It is very coldest planet in our solar system. Neptune is Neptune has winds and storms and waves. Asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. Kuiper belt. The Kuiper belt is a region of the solar system that exists behind the 8 major planets extending from the orbit of Neptune. Pluto. There are 5 main dwarf planets: Eris, Makemake, and Pluto. Others are Sidra, Gong, etc. Thank you.
Thank you, Avni.
मैंने बोल दिया कमाल तो लिखो
Thank you, Avni. Even I didn't know about this Maki planet. So, Aryan,
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Aryan, and today I'm going to tell you about a very old story. So, story of a really nice story. At last. Mm, Okay. So, 1 minute. I'll just start the slideshow. Yeah. So, this story is about King Arthur. A long time ago, Britain was ruled by King Uther Pendragon. But when Uther died without a heir is a son, the land was torn apart with war. Many tried to claim the throne, so they fought bitterly and endlessly. People's hearts grew hollow, and the country became leaderless. Wizard Merlin conjured. Conjured means put something into something. Uh, Conjured the magical sword into a stone called Excalibur and declared that only Uther's true heir means son again, could pull it out free. Many tried to take it out, but only one succeeded. A boy named Arthur, who had no idea he was Uther's long lost son. Uther was a great king, and his enemies into his allies. He and his knights lived a code of chivalry, so that his heart's pure and but his worst enemy was his own half sister Morgana. She was convinced that she was the rightful heir, and desperate to claim the sword, she turned into a great dragon and then Arthur fought a fearsome battle against her and then bound her, means like put her, into the deepest layer of the earth. Before she swore dark vengeance, means before she swore that that when Arthur is long died and and when the war is start again, like today, if you have seen it today, the land is divided, right? So India has many continents, right? Like Mumbai. I live in Mumbai, and the states and so so now when it's divided, and she told that when her power is back again, she will return. And then Arthur said that so will the sword. And here is a link to make the sword out of paper. And I will also share this link on the chat. Thank you.
Thank you, Aryan.
You're welcome.
किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है? Okay. Thank you, Aryan. So now, Rohan, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Johan. My name is Johan, and my school is NCBIS, and my topic is about human rights. Humans think clothing and fashion is good, but when actually when grown, it takes millions of tons of water to make one piece of clothing, like a glove. But compared to, like, if you use silk, you take millions of pounds of water just to make one shirt or something. So that's a lot of waste and harmful for the earth. And also, plus silk is not good for your body because of when you wear silk, yeah, when it's rubbed too much on your skin, synthetic silk, when rubbed on your skin, it's bad because then it enters your body and makes you feel itching, and it's not good because it's made out of lots of chemicals. But in fashion shows, the when now I'm talking about food like meat or chicken, like meat products, take thousands of gallons of water to make one slice. And the meat gets proteins from vegetables, but those proteins are also wasted and went out. So it's better to eat vegetables because that's the thing animals get from. But eating an animal, that instead of eating an animal, you could eat vegetables because you can harvest them in there all year long. Then animals, because they take a lot of water and it's just a waste of work for just one slice of meat. Compared to crops, you can grow them anywhere. You can grow them in your balcony if you want. But if you want to have like a cow or chicken in your balcony, you would have to take a lot of care of it. And also, who would do that? That would be weird. You would have to have a big farm, and it's also not that healthy. People say it was healthy, but it was not. They started eating meat because the land started getting dry over climate changes. So the vegetarian meats died because of the dryness, and there was only animals. So they had no choice than eating their own self or just eating the animals. So they ate the animals, so they didn't have to pay their own self. Or if they would, so these, but then in new days, now they're eating meat too much. When actually meat was only necessary for emergency things. Also, cheese, they were only used for savory. Now we use it for every day. It's only good for like winter seasons. The cheese was made because people didn't know how to store food because in winter or like when it's snowing, they didn't have food. So they invented cheese to save some food and eat. But it's not good for all seasons. Bye. That's it. Hello?
Hello. Yeah, thank you, Rohan. Even I don't have this much of knowledge. Thank you so much. You taught me, and I'll keep these all thing in my mind. And what you talked about clothing and all, even we are trying to spread awareness. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ma'am, can I resume my talk?
कोई कुछ बोल रहा है?
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Ma'am, can I resume my talk?
Yeah, sure.
Good afternoon,
Thank you,
friends.
Bhaiya.
My name is Arjun Pratap. Today I am going to talk about environment. Environment is a very important part of our life. It depends on how we keep it. Keeping our environment clean is our duty. Nowadays, environment is getting polluted. Water is getting polluted. No. Air pollution is caused due to more use of vehicles, and we should not use unnecessarily vehicles for short distance. Waters are also getting polluted by big boats, crews, and factories. The factories throw the waste into the water. That waste could be recycled to reduce the pollution of water. Trees are cut in large quantities to make furniture, tissues, and many more things. So we should reduce the pollution of environment. Other than environment, I am a big saver of animals also. Nowadays, animals are treated very badly, so we should not treat them badly. Many street dogs are beaten and throw many people throw stone and beat street dogs. So I want to say that we should not treat them badly. And on the opportunity of Father's Day, I want to share one thing. I have made this card for my father.
Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you, ma'am. Anyone wants to ask any question on environment things, they can ask.
किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना है? Okay, so now we'll move on. Manvi? Hi,
Yes.
Manvi.
Hi.
Hi. मैं भी कार्ड बनाती हूँ.
बोलो. I am.
Hi, Manvi Rukaya. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My name is Manvi Rukania. I am 5 years old. आज मैं आपको पर्यावरण के बारे में सिखाने जा रही हूँ. 1 जून मिल्क डे. हमें रोज मिल्क पीना चाहिए. इससे हमारी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ती है. हम लोग को रोगों से लड़ने की ताकत भी मिलती है. 3 जून साइकिल डे. हमें साइकिल रोज चलाना चाहिए. इससे हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं. हम जो स्कूटी या बाइक चलाते हैं उसे तो धुआं निकलता है, वो हम लोग को बीमारी फैला सकता है. इसलिए हमें बाइसिकल की यूज करनी चाहिए. प्लांट डे. हमें फॉरेस्ट को बचाना चाहिए. अगर पेड़ नहीं होंगे तो एनिमल्स भी नहीं होंगे. हम जो प्लास्टिक यूज करके नाले में कहीं फेंक देते हैं, वो नाला से होते हुए समुंदर या गंगा जी में चले जाते हैं और पानी में रहने वाले मछलियों लोग को भी इन्फेक्शन पहुंचाते हैं। इसलिए हमें इस प्लास्टिक के यूज नहीं करने चाहिए। हमें ये वाला बैग यूज नहीं करना चाहिए। पेपर वाला बैग हमें यूज करना चाहिए। 14 जून हमें ब्लड डोनेशन जरूर करना चाहिए। 6 महीने में हमें ब्लड डोनेट जरूर करना चाहिए। हमें ब्लड जो आता है, हमें ब्लड डोनेट करने से हम लोग 3 आदमी की जान बचा सकते हैं। योगा जनवरी, योगा दिवस, हमें योगा रोज करना चाहिए। ये योगा के कुछ स्टेप्स हैं। हमें पानी के एक एक बूंद को बचाना चाहिए। दुनिया ही एक मटका है। अगर ग्रीन कलर नहीं होगा, अगर ब्लू कलर नहीं होगा तो ग्रीन कलर भी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ब्लू कलर पानी है, ग्रीन कलर पेड़ है। अगर पानी के एक एक बूंद की कीमत समझना है तो एक तड़कते से मछली से पूछो। हम लोग पानी बहुत वेस्ट करते हैं, जैसे ब्रश करते हुए हम लोग टैप खोला छोड़ देते हैं, सेल्फी लेते हुए हम लोग टैप खुला छोड़ देते हैं, और फिर बाद में हमारे को पानी नहीं मिलेगा और पानी धीरे धीरे कम होता जाएगा। हमें अपनी दुनिया को बचाना है तो साफ सफाई रखना होगा, और पानी और पेड़ को भी बचाना होगा। इसलिए आप लोग भी अपनी दुनिया को मिलकर बचाइए। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
वाओ मानवी, ओह माय गॉड। सब लोग प्लीज इसके लिए क्लैप करें। इसने बहुत कुछ बताया है। प्लीज सब लोग इसके लिए क्लैप करें। Just look at her. Oh my God. It was a great talk, Manvi. Seriously. Seriously. Okay. So now I think और कोई बचा है क्या? I think everyone. So now I will call Adya Swasti.
I want to see you.
Adya, come here. तो आद्या आज अपना जर्नल दिखाएगी।
मेरा
तुम पहले बताओ, मैं आद्या हूँ 5 years की। हेलो। हाँ
अब मैं अपना जर्नल दिखाना चाहती हूँ।
हाँ,
ये है मेरा जर्नल।
सब लोग इसको देख पा रहे हैं क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. स्पीकर थोड़ा पास में रखो.
Because you are not nobody else.
और ये मैंने बनाया है गोल्डन सनराइज. ये बनाया है.
Spread light now. जोर से ये मैंने लिखा है.
अलग किया. अरे तो इसमें क्यों आ रहा है जनी? मैं तो दिख रहा हूँ ना इसमें.
शुभी बाकी लोग को म्यूट पे कर दो ना.
हाँ ये
और ये मैंने घर बनाया.
सभी कर ले प्लीज. मैं बार बार म्यूट कर रही हूँ बट वो अनम्यूट हो जा रहा है.
Say hi.
Hi.
Please mute yourself. No, everybody, please mute. Start. बोलो.
ये मैंने लिखा है I love cat, I love tree. और ये मैंने
आगे दिखाओ थोड़ा कैमरे में.
मैंने एक
स्लाइटली पीछे.
लड़की
क्या बनाया है? अच्छा ये वर्ल्ड इन्वायरमेंट डे पे इसने छोटे से टाइनी से अपने बुक पे वर्ल्ड इन्वायरमेंट डे लिखा है और अर्थ बनाया है.
ये मैंने प्लांट कैसे लगाते हैं ये मैंने वो बनाया है. पहले मिट्टी खोदो, फिर उसमें बीज डालो, फिर उसको मिट्टी से ढक के उसमें पानी डाल दो, फिर वो छोटा सा होगा, फिर बढ़ते बढ़ते अगर उसको हवा मिलेगा, सनलाइट मिलेगा तो वो बड़ा हो जाएगा.
अब इधर से कर. उसमें और है. इतने छोटे से में इतना कुछ बनाया तुमने. चलो अब
ये मेरी फैमिली है.
नेक्स्ट प्लीज.
ये मैंने पेड़ बनाया है और ये क्रिसमस ट्री. हाँ मैंने लिखा है I am surrounded by love. ये मैंने रेनबो बनाया है. बारिश हो रही है तो एक फॉग निकल रहा है। ये जो मैंने बता दिया था ये वो है।
इसको बड़ा सा है ना?
पहले मिट्टी खोदना है फिर भी।
हाँ ये बता दिया ना तुमने। दूसरा ये क्या?
ये मैंने यूनिकॉर्न बनाया है। और ये मैंने वाटर साइकिल बनाया।
डायरी मुंह से हटाओ और बोलो।
पहले बारिश होती है फिर सन ले लेता है, फिर बारिश होती है फिर सन ले लेता है,
फिर बादल बनता है,
फिर बादल बनता है,
फिर बारिश
होती
ये क्या है?
फिर सन ले लेता है।
वाटर साइकिल।
तो ये है वाटर साइकिल। ये मैंने मदर्स डे में बनाया। ये मैंने पंख चिपका के लिखा।
पास में तरफ हो रहा है।
मैंने पंख चिपका के लिखा है। और मुझे ऐसा पेंसिल बैग चाहिए था तो मुझे ऐसा मिल गया।
सबको आवाज आ रही है क्या इसकी?
यस मैम।
ये मैंने मंडला बनाया है। ये मैंने बर्ड बनाया था। ये है आई एम अ हैप्पी बर्ड।
मैम हर ड्राइंग्स आर अमेजिंग।
ये है
थैंक यू बोलो। किसी ने तुम्हारे ड्राइंग को अमेजिंग बोला।
थैंक यू।
वेलकम।
ये मैंने फ्लावर बनाया है। ये मैंने पार्टी किया था इसमें।
लॉकडाउन में पार्टी किया था इसने ड्राइंग बनाकर सबको इनवाइट करके।
ये है वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट।
सबसे पहले बताओ।
वेस्ट में डालना है तरबूज का छिलका, केला का छिलका, पत्तियां सूखी हुई,
जितना भी ग्रीन कचरा है गीला कचरा डाल सकते हैं ना किचन वेस्ट।
और कोई भी फ्रूट वेजिटेबल्स के छिलके।
और ये है ड्राई वेस्ट।
ये है ड्राई वेस्ट। इसमें बोतल डाल सकता है, कार्टून डाल सकता है, पेन डाल सकता है, कागज डाल सकता है, पेन डाल सकता है, फ्रूटी का पैकेट डाल सकता है।
हाँ और ये सारी चीजें रिसाइकिल के लिए जा सकती है।
और ये सब रिसाइकिल के लिए जा सकती है। ये है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट। इसमें डाल सकते हैं टीवी, ईयरफोन, वायर, फोन, लाइट, ये सब डाल सकते हैं, माउस। और ये है हानिकारक वेस्ट। इसमें दवाई डाल सकते हैं, ग्लव्स डाल सकते हैं, मास्क डाल सकते हैं, इंजेक्शन डाल सकते हैं, किसी दवाई का बोतल डाल सकते हैं। तो ये हमारा वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट।
और क्या ये सारी चीजें छोटा छोटा क्या
ये मैंने महल बनाया है।
हाँ
ये मैंने माही बहन बनाया है।
और उसका एक एक स्टेप बनाया ना।
और ये मैंने स्टेप वाइज बनाया है।
इस डॉल को कैसे बनाना है इसने स्टेप वाइज जैसे बनाया है। एक एक स्टेप।
और ये मैंने आउल बनाया है। मैंने कैक्टस बनाया है। ये मैंने यूनिवर्स बनाया है। और ये मैंने प्लैनेट्स बनाए हैं।
सिर्फ कलर किया ना। हाँ
ये है
नेचुरल
डाई। इसमें पहले प्याज का छिलका लेना है, फिर गरम पानी होने देना है, फिर बाद में उसको उसमें डाल देना, फिर थोड़ी देर छोड़ देना है, फिर वो रंग होते रहेगा।
इसमें फिर कपड़ा डालना है।
फिर इसमें कपड़ा डालना है तो कपड़ा हो जाएगा। पर
कपड़ा डालना है, फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद उसको जब निकालेंगे तो वो डाई हो जाएगा, है ना, नेचुरल डाई। तो ये तुमने किया था ना घर पे। हाँ, अभी हम लोग उसका वीडियो दिखाएंगे कैसे किया था तुमने। और कुछ है? और है? और भी इधर है ना, तुमने कुछ छोटा सा वीडियो बनाया है। ये एक्चुअली डायरी भरने के लिए छोटे छोटे से ड्राइंग कर रही है ताकि इसे नया डायरी मिले।
ये मैंने एक गांव बनाया है।
अच्छा, ये गांव है। इसने एक गांव बनाया है, बताओ क्या क्या इसमें।
इसमें है पेड़, इसमें है बस, बादल है, चिड़िया है, और एक घर है, गाड़िया है,
और ये क्या
नदी है, और ये एक गाड़ी है, ये डस्टबिन है, और ये है साइकिल, ये प्लांट है छोटा सा, और ये सन है, और ये विंडमिल है। ये मैंने एक और घर बनाया। ये है सन, ये है चिड़िया, ये है पेड़, और ये बस, ये एरोप्लेन।
मंदिर
ये मैंने मंदिर बनाया है।
ये क्या है ये बताओ।
ये स्टैचू है।
और ये इतनी बड़ी सी चप्पल है मंदिर के बाहर जो रखी रहती है। सबसे लास्ट में हाँ,
ये मैंने बनाया है।
तो ये आद्या का ड्राइंग था और ये जर्नल है जो आद्या हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ बनाती रहती है इसमें। अभी इसने जो नेचुरल डाइट पे किया था तो मैं उसका कुछ वीडियो दिखाना चाहती हूँ। 1 सेकेंड।
अभी थोड़ा थोड़ी हो रहा है तुम्हारा तो, मेरा तो काफी आसान है, तुम जानते नहीं हो।
1 सेकेंड, मैं इसका वीडियो शेयर करती हूँ थोड़ा। हाँ हाँ हाँ, तुम्हारा हो गया।
उसको बुला के तुम्हारी बारी।
तो हेलो एवरीवन, ये आद्या का जर्नल था, उसने जो भी बनाया था। तो अभी सिर्फ हमारे पास और एक पार्टिसिपेंट बच गए हैं, रुद्र आदित्य पांडे। वो उसको थोड़ा टाइम है, तो तब तक मैं आद्या का नेचुरल डाई का वीडियो शेयर करती हूँ, दिखाती हूँ। 1 सेकेंड।
A photo which I've made. Look here. I want to share your photo with my mate. This is about Pinky and her friend's story.
Yeah, please share.
And this is a rainbow color with a unicorn. Rainbow with a unicorn. What is that? Mama, what is that? Mama!
Yes, Sidra, please show your drawing.
This is a rainbow with a unicorn, and there is a story about a flower named Pinky and her friend.
Yes, please.
Her story is too long. I could not tell you.
We can listen. We can listen. We have time. Please share.
Thank you.
No, you want to tell the story? You want to tell the story? So say no, it's a long story. Say.
No, it's a long story. I can't say.
Okay.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
So now I will call Rudra. Rudra, are you ready? Okay.
Wait.
Hello. Hello, friend. My name is Rudra Aditya Pandey.
Is it audible? बोलो।
तो आज मैं आपको सिखा कि बच्चे भी कंपोस्टिंग कर सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम लोगों को एक ऐसा बिल लेना है और
Ma'am, sound is very low.
एक शवल उठाकर मिट्टी में भरना है। देखिए
Sound is not coming.
ये देखिए,
जोर से बोलना होगा, फास्ट।
देखिए ये देखिए,
जोर से बोलना होगा।
हाँ देखिए। और अब हम लोगों को डालना है अब हम लोग डालेंगे कंपोस्ट।
अभी आ रही है आवाज?
It's still low. It will be good if it.
देखिए हो गया। और फिर हम लोग उसको और फिर से चलिए अब मैं हमारे घर का किचन का बचा हुआ खाना बचा हो उसको उठाकर इसके अंदर डाल देना है। देखिए डल गया। तो अब हम लोगों को एक सूखा पत्ता और इसको फिर क्रश करके डालना है। देखिए दिख रहा है ना आप सबको? क्रश डालना है। देखिए दिख रहा है ना आप सबको? क्रश
डालना है। देखिए दिख रहा है ना आप सबको? डालना है। देखिए दिख रहा है ना आप सबको? डालना है। देखिए दिख रहा है ना आप सबको? मैं कैसे डालूंगा कंपोस्ट? थोड़ा सा और डालना है। देखिए देखिए ये भर गया पूरा अच्छी तरह से। और फिर थोड़ा सा और डाल करना है। देखिए
किनारे
तो ये वाला हो गया है। तो फिर 1 महीने के बाद हमारा कंपोस्ट ऐसा दिखेगा। 1 महीने के बाद हमारा कंपोस्ट ऐसा दिखेगा। देखिए और फिर हम लोगों को इसको ऐसे डालना है, तो ले लेना है। और फिर देखिए अब ये तैयार होने वाला है। 10 जुलाई को ये बन जाएगा।
Voice is not coming. Voice is not clear.
उससे बोलो कि 10 जुलाई तक ये बन
ये
जाए।
10 जुलाई तक बन जाएगा और इसलिए तब तक हम लोगों को इसको ऐसे रखे रहना है।
हमारा कंपोस्ट तैयार है।
हमारा कंपोस्ट अब तैयार है। तो फिर
इस सिस्टम से
हम लोग की चंपा नदी साफ रहेगी। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।
थैंक यू रुद्रू, थैंक यू सो मच। सब लोग वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं अभी। सब लोग वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं एंड प्लीज ऑन कर ले सब लोग। तो कंपोस्टिंग करना सीखा सबने?
It was interesting and I really like it.
Sorry, what?
It was very interesting and I really like it.
Thank you, Rohan. Thank you for So now हम लोग अभी आपस में बातें कर सकते हैं, डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? तो किसी को एक दूसरे से कुछ पूछना है, किसी के टॉक के बारे में, किसी के सेशन के बारे में? सबको कैसा लगा सेशन? खुद का, सबका कैसा लगा?
मुझे अच्छा लगा। हाँ वो लगा।
Very nice.
I really
Very nice.
liked it. Really nice.
थैंक यू सो मच सारे बच्चों को, बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा आपसे।
And I want to wish people a very happy birthday.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। Oh my God, I'm so happy.
My birthday was just last week.
Happy birthday to People Organization.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to People Organization.
Thank you, thank you. शाम को।
You tell us how was it? शाम को कितने बजे?
Sidra, you are still. What are you doing?
Mom,
So what are you doing?
I am making my Father's Day card.
वाओ, चलो सब लोग आज फादर्स डे कार्ड बनाएगा.
Ma'am, I have made.
So now मैं सारे पेरेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ प्लीज हमारे नंबर पे एड्रेस मैसेज कर दे ताकि हम सारे बच्चों के मेडल और सर्टिफिकेट कुरियर कर सकते हैं. ओके
Ma'am, I love people organization.
थैंक यू आनंद. पेरेंट्स में से कुछ सजेशन देना चाहते हैं?
Yes, I made a Happy Father's Day painting on a time. Did you like our speech?
Who is asking?
Sidera.
Yeah, please everyone, सब लोग बोले उसको, उसका स्पीच बहुत अच्छा था. इवन हमें तुम्हारी स्टोरी भी सुननी थी बट तुमने तो सुनाया नहीं.
और Yes. Do you want to sing a nature song? Which you have one line.
Nature, you are good. You make lovely for us. Are great for the earth. We are happy from the trees and plants. We get fruits from the trees and plants. Don't block any flowers or leaves.
This is impromptu poem.
She's amazing, seriously.
Thank you.
You all are amazing. You all kids are amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
You people are doing great, and we actually learned a lot, and we will follow you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Miss, this is my Happy Father's Day tile painting.
Wow. What's there? Like
it's modern art.
Okay.
And then another one we added. My sister.
Oh wow.
Nice.
So now there's a
That's nice. Great.
It's about to finish.
Bye everyone. Bye ma'am.
Bye.
Bye ma'am.
Bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you so much.
That I got a chance to speak.
Look at ma'am and say thank you.
Thank you.
We will call you again.
And say
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Rani auntie. Thank you to Rani auntie also.
Thank you to Rani auntie.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
I will end the meeting. Okay.
Say bye. Give flying kiss. Bye everyone.
Thank you so much for organizing this.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
She's mom, and it was lovely hearing all the kids.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You were not listening. I'll do one. See, 1, 2, 3, and like do it.
Okay, then I will end the meeting. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
तो हमारा आज हमारा ये पीपल का जो वेबिनार वीक था फाउंडेशन डे पर, ये आज हमारा यही खत्म होता है और बहुत ही अच्छा रहा, स्पेशली बच्चों के साथ काफी ज्यादा अच्छा रहा. तो और हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि हमेशा ऐसा ही सेशन करते रहें थैंक यू सो मच सबके लिए, सबको जिसने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया और जो लोग भी देख रहे हैं, वॉच कर रहे हैं हमें। और अगर कोई सजेशन हो हमारे लिए, हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, तो प्लीज हमें बताएं। और बस इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट सारे बच्चों को।
शुक्रिया शुभी दीदी। शुभी दीदी